One of our perhaps more fun ways of structuring flows is to create social feeds around key themed topics and structuring the way that people submit to those. So this is one of our favorites, the Pets of Assembly flow. So you jump in here and it's just a call to upload a file of what your pets are up to. So we ask you to show us what your pets are up to. You jump in and you get a flow showing off all of your furry friends. So this is Willow. She's great. This is Katya's dog out on the beach. So it creates this really rich feed, creates conversations, and it allows people to talk about, their fur babies back home. We have, once again, another template for that. So as you jump into flows, you can actually look at this specific category, games and icebreakers, which is going to be a lot of those kind of fun ways to socialize with your team. So our team's pets allows you to create a feed showing off pictures of your pets. Overheard at assembly is an example of how to share funny quotes that are happening around your organization over the course of the day. Tell me something good is something we use to basically ask a fun question and get replies in the comments. We've got Halloween costume contests, we've got book club, icebreakers, all different ways to get those fun conversations that would otherwise not be happening into your organization and have them right there in the left drawer. People can always see them right where their work's getting done.